Soldering is a fundamental technique in electronics and various DIY projects, and the quality of your soldering station can significantly impact the outcome of your work. When it comes to precision, control, and efficiency, the choice of the best soldering station is paramount. These versatile tools not only make soldering a breeze but also enhance safety. In this guide, we'll explore the top soldering stations available, highlighting their features and benefits to help you make an informed decision and elevate your soldering projects to a professional level. In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best soldering stations available on the market. We research web and read lots of real user review before creating the soldering stations list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the soldering stations mentioned, be sure to check the description. Subscribe our channel and press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5. YIHUA Hot Air Rework Station. The YIHUA 995DI is a cutting-edge soldering and hot air rework station that combines precision, ease of use, and safety in one package. This meticulously designed tool offers a no-fuss experience with its easy plug-pull nozzle for hot air rework, streamlining your soldering and desoldering tasks. With a power output of 110 W, it provides ample heat for various applications. The large digital display ensures clear and accurate temperature control. Originating from mainland China, this YIHUA product boasts international certifications including CE, FCC, and UL, ensuring top-notch quality and safety standards. Elevate your soldering projects with this advanced, customized workstation. Number 4. Original Hot Air Soldering Station. The original 1000W Quick 861DW heat gun soldering station is a powerhouse of precision and efficiency. This microcomputer-controlled station boasts 3 working channels, each customizable for both temperature and air volume, offering unparalleled flexibility. With password protection and key lock features, it ensures security in your soldering tasks. The station's magnetic switch control lever places it in hibernation when not in use, and its automatic sleep function saves parameters in a dormant state. The closed-loop sensor and microcomputer temperature control provide rapid and stable heating, resistant to wind interference. Equipped with vortex brushless fans and an automatic cooling function, it offers a broad range of applications while extending the heating element's lifespan. This comprehensive package includes a variety of nozzles, an air gun stand, tweezers, and more. The Quick 861DW sets a new standard for high-performance soldering stations, making it an invaluable tool for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Number 3. AIXUN H310D Soldering Station. The AIXUN H310D Soldering Station is a groundbreaking addition to the world of electronics repair and soldering. Featuring a 3.5-inch IPS high-definition display screen and a built-in smart operation system, it combines innovation with ease of use. This station offers Wi-Fi networking and OTA upgrades, and it's even interconnectable via Bluetooth for enhanced versatility. With a silent brushless air blower and a high-power 1000W heating core, it delivers exceptional performance. A unique feature is its support for segment and curve desoldering, with the ability to revise, recall, and save parameters in real time on the cloud, allowing users to create their exclusive database. It offers 3 distinct desoldering modes, including a newly added cold air mode, making it ideal for both beginners and professionals. With its comprehensive package, this AIXUN H310D Smart Hot Air Gun Rework Station is the perfect choice for those seeking precision and convenience in soldering and desoldering tasks. Number 2. SUGON T3602 Soldering Station. The SUGON T3602 soldering station is a powerful and versatile tool designed for precision soldering, ideal for cell phone PCB, SMD, and IC repair. With a robust 240W power consumption, it provides rapid heating, ensuring efficiency in your soldering tasks. This double-station welding rework station offers a temperature range of 200 degrees Celsius to 450 degrees Celsius, 212 degrees Fahrenheit to 842 degrees Fahrenheit, and its temperature stability of plus or minus 2 degrees Celsius ensures accurate and consistent results. Featuring a user-friendly LED digital display, it is easy to set and monitor the temperature. With certifications including CE and FCC, this lead-free soldering station is a reliable choice for professional electronics repair work. Whether you're working on intricate PCBs or SMD components, the SUGON T3602 delivers the performance and control you need. Number 1. SUGON T26D Soldering Station. The SUGON T26D soldering station is a high-performance, lead-free soldering solution perfect for BGA, PCB, and IC repair work. With a power consumption of 85 W, it delivers rapid heating, enabling efficient soldering. This station offers a temperature range of 200 degrees Celsius to 500 degrees Celsius, 392 degrees Fahrenheit to 932 degrees Fahrenheit, and its temperature stability of plus or minus 2 degrees Celsius ensures precise and consistent results. The user-friendly LED digital display allows easy temperature adjustment and monitoring. With certifications including CE and FCC, it's a reliable and safe choice for electronics repair. Whether you're a professional or hobbyist, the SUGON T26D offers the power and control needed for successful soldering and rework tasks. In conclusion, selecting the right soldering station is pivotal for achieving precision and efficiency in soldering and rework tasks. The featured soldering stations, each with their unique set of features and capabilities, cater to a wide range of needs and skill levels. Whether it's the advanced technology of the AIXUN H310D, the powerful performance of the SUGON T3602, or the versatility of the YIHUA 995DI, these top-notch stations empower users to take on electronics repair and soldering projects with confidence and accuracy.